In this guide, friends, I will show you step by step how to log in Ink Bank Online. So guys, all you have to do, go to Google and search for Ink Bank login, search this keyword and then click the first result. After that, friends, when you click on the first result, this result, as I say, you see this page, guys. Just await, you see secure banking login page. So guys, after that, when you click this page, you see your client number. Write your client number, for example this one. Write your client number here. When you write your client number, guys, click on login. If you forget your access code, click forget your access code and then enter your client number. Let's begin. Step 1, enter your birthday and enter your client number and click submit option. The same thing on the app, guys. You can use the app to log in. Download the Ink Bank app. After install and login, you can complete the same steps here for login option. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content and see you soon.